Turtle management plan. Out of the 15, we are currently working with 5 communities, four in North Rupununi and one in the South Rupununi. And all these communities are closely adjacently located to the Kanaku Mountain Protected Area. For example, Sand Creek in Yupukari, Katuka, Riwo, and Apoteri, which are all riverine communities. The activity for that has already been completed, where they have been monitoring in situ turtle monitoring, looking at one species, which is the yellow spotted turtle. However, recently there were an increase of the giant river turtles being sighted in those areas. So we have been monitoring those 2 species now. The reason is mainly because the local communities in those pilot communities continue to kind of consume those, or they depend on their meat and eggs. Apart from in situ, just in case we have, because over the years, what SWM has been encountering is when we do start these activities, sometimes there is a drought or dry season, and then there is this impromptu rainfall. We have developed what we call ex situ hatchling area, both in Sand Creek and Ipukari. So when there is an early flood, the monitors will actually relocate the eggs from the rivers, close by rivers, or relocate the flooded areas and take the eggs to the ex situ hatchling, both in Sand Creek and Ipukari. And in year 2 and year 3, we will try to, or we are in the process of doing baseline studies in creating a turtle farm in Nappi. We have plans in taking the persons to a trip to see an active farm, perhaps in Brazil. We're still doing on research on that. Turtle Festival, which has been a major kind of attracting locals, particularly school children around the Rupununi wildlife clubs, to be part of this important session to showcase or the importance of biodiversity in the Rupununi. So we have 2 respective festivals, one in Sand Creek and one in Yupukari. Yupukari has already concluded. Sand Creek will be in late October. Basically, during this is when students or participants will release the turtles that hatch in the sandbank, the artificial sandbank, back to the wild.